English moments.
Hello, and welcome to day 4 of the 30-day English speaking challenge. Today, we're going to talk about something we all have, our daily routines. Describing your routine is a great way to practice using the present simple tense, which we use to talk about actions we do regularly. Talking about your daily routine is a fundamental skill in English. It helps you talk about your habits and lifestyle, share your schedule with others, build confidence in using the present simple tense. Whether you're chatting with friends, coworkers, or classmates, describing your routine is a natural way to connect with others. Before we dive in, let's review the present simple tense. We use it for habits, routines, and facts. For example, I wake up at 7 a.m. every day. She eats breakfast at 8 a.m. They go to the gym in the evening. Remember, use the base verb for I, you, we, and they. Example: I work, they study. Add s or es to the verb for he, she, and it. Example: he works, she studies. Let me share some examples of daily routines. Listen carefully and repeat after me. I wake up at 6 a.m. every morning. I wake up at 6 a.m. every morning. I brush my teeth and take a quick shower. I brush my teeth and take a quick shower. I usually eat breakfast at 7 a.m. I usually eat breakfast at 7 a.m. After breakfast, I go to work at 8 a.m. After breakfast, I go to work at 8 a.m. I take a short coffee break around 10 a.m. I take a short coffee break around 10 a.m. I have lunch at noon with my coworkers. I have lunch at noon with my coworkers. I finish work at 5 p.m. and go to the gym. I finish work at 5 p.m. and go to the gym. I return home at 7 p.m. and cook dinner. I return home at 7 p.m. and cook dinner. In the evening, I watch TV or read a book. In the evening, I watch TV or read a book. I go to bed at 10:30 p.m. I go to bed at 10:30 p.m. Now it's your turn. I'll ask you some questions about your daily routine. Answer in full sentences. What time do you wake up? What do you do after waking up? When do you usually have breakfast? What do you do in the afternoon? How do you spend your evenings? All right. Now that we've talked about how to describe your daily routine, it's time to see some real-life examples. Hearing how others talk about their routines can give you some great ideas and help you feel more confident when describing your own. I'm going to share a few examples of people with different lifestyles, like a student, a working professional, and even a stay-at-home parent. Listen carefully, and notice how they use simple sentences and specific details to make their routines clear and interesting. Feel free to pause after each example and repeat the sentences out loud. Practicing this way will help you improve your fluency and pronunciation. Let's dive in.
Hi, I'm Sam, and I'm 16 years old. My day starts at 6:30 a.m. when I wake up and get ready for school. I brush my teeth, wash my face, and have breakfast at 7 a.m. I usually eat cereal and drink a glass of milk. At 7:30 a.m., I leave for school and attend classes until 3 p.m. During lunchtime, I enjoy chatting with my friends and eating sandwiches. After school, I go to basketball practice, which lasts for 2 hours. I return home around 6 p.m., take a shower, and have dinner with my family. After dinner, I do my homework and study for about 2 hours. If I finish early, I play video games or watch YouTube videos. I usually go to bed at 10:30 p.m. to get a good night's sleep.
Hello, my name is Olivia, and I work as a graphic designer. My routine starts at 7 a.m. when I wake up and make a cup of coffee to start my day. I spend about 15 minutes checking my emails and planning my tasks for the day. At 7:30 a.m., I take a shower and get dressed for work. I work remotely, so I start my job at 8:30 a.m. I usually work on designing logos and websites until noon. For lunch, I make a healthy salad or sandwich and take a short walk to refresh my mind. In the afternoon, I have client meetings and finish up my projects. At 5 p.m., I log off work and do yoga or go for a jog. In the evening, I cook dinner while listening to music or a podcast. After dinner, I relax by reading a book or watching a movie. I go to bed at 11 p.m.
Hi, I'm Tom, and I work as a delivery driver. I wake up at 5 a.m. and get ready for my day. I eat a quick breakfast, usually toast and coffee, and leave for work at 6 a.m. My shift starts at 6:30 a.m., and I spend most of my day driving around the city, delivering packages. I take a lunch break around 12:30 p.m., usually grabbing a sandwich or a burger. In the afternoon, I continue my deliveries and finish my shift around 4 p.m. After work, I like to go for a run or hit the gym to stay fit. In the evening, I cook dinner, watch sports on TV, or hang out with friends. I go to bed around 10 p.m. to be ready for another busy day.
Hi, I'm Emily, and I'm a stay-at-home mom. My day starts at 6 a.m. when I wake up and prepare breakfast for my family. After everyone leaves for work or school, I tidy up the house and do the laundry. Around 10 a.m., I go grocery shopping or run errands. I have lunch at noon, and in the afternoon, I work on my blog or do some crafting projects. When my kids come home from school at 3 p.m., I help them with their homework and prepare snacks. In the evening, I cook dinner, and we eat together as a family at 7 p.m. After dinner, we usually watch a movie or play games. I clean the kitchen and prepare for the next day before going to bed at 10:30 p.m.
Great job! Now you've heard some examples of how different people describe their daily routines. Did you notice how each person used simple, clear sentences to share their day? Now it's your turn. Think about your own daily routine and start putting it into words. Start by answering questions like, what time do you wake up? What do you do in the morning, afternoon, and evening? What time do you go to bed? Put your answers together to create a full description of your day. And don't forget, practice out loud. The more you say it, the more natural it will feel. For homework, write down 5 to 10 sentences describing your daily routine. Use the present simple tense and try to include morning, afternoon, and evening activities. Here's a tip. Practice saying your routine out loud in front of a mirror or record yourself to check your pronunciation. Don't forget to share your routine in the comments. Great work today! Describing your daily routine is an important step toward fluency in English. The more you practice, the easier it will become to talk about your day naturally. Tomorrow, we're moving on to another practical and fun topic, shopping conversations. You'll learn how to ask for prices, talk about items, and handle payment like a pro. These are skills you can use in real life right away, so don't miss it.